everyone, we're making a big chicken feast today. So many chicken! The spices are perfect this year. Yes, the color is so vibrant and the aroma is wonderful. With friends, the work is light. And the chickens look so fresh. This turmeric will add such a wonderful flavor. The turmeric will give it a beautiful color. Yes, and now the chili paste. This lemon juice will make it tangy. Perfect. Now a little salt. Chilies. Now for the garlic and mint. The onions give it a nice bite. Look at the color on that chicken. It will be delicious. Now for the spices. It's sizzling so nicely. Yes, it's cooking beautifully.